Hello students, welcome back to our EVS class. In part 1, we have been discussing about root system in plants. In this session, let us continue our discussion on parts of a plant. Students, let us observe this picture of the plant. It shows the root, stem, leaf, flower and fruit are the different parts of a plant. Root. The part of a plant that grows inside the soil is called the root. Most plants have a thick main root that grows deep into the soil. The main root has thinner side roots called rootlets that grow from it. This type of root is called a taproot. Some plants have roots in the form of a group of small roots growing from the end of the stem. These are thin and fibrous and are called fibrous roots. Grass, coconut, banana and onion have a fibrous root. Functions of the root. Roots take in water and minerals present in the soil for the plant. Roots help to hold the plant firmly in the soil. Some plants store extra food in their roots. This can be seen in carrots, radish, and beetroot. Shoot. The part of a plant that grows above the soil is collectively called the shoot. The shoot consists of the stem of the plant, which bears branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Let us now learn more about the different parts of a plant that grow above the soil. Stem. The stem is a very important part of the plant. Stem of a plant is generally green and turn a little hard, brown and rough as the plant grows into a tree. The stem of a tree is called its trunk. Mango and neem are some examples of trees having a trunk. Some plants like the money plant and watermelon have soft and weak stems. These need support to grow straight. Functions of the stem. The stem gives support to the plant with the help of the roots. The stem helps the plant to stand firmly in the soil. It carries food prepared in the leaves to all other parts of the plant. It also carries water and other useful substances from roots to other parts of the plant. Some plants like sugarcane, potato, ginger store extra food in their stems, while sugarcane grows above the ground. Potato, ginger, onion grow under the ground. Leaves are called the kitchen of plants. They make food for the plant with the help of chlorophyll, water, air, and sunlight. This process of making food is called photosynthesis. chlorophyll gives green color to the leaves. Functions of leaves. Leaves prepare food for the plant. They also help plants to breathe by taking in air through the tiny openings called stomata. Some plants store their food in their leaves, such as in cabbage, mint, and spinach. Flowers. A flower is the most attractive and fragrant part of a plant. Most flowers grow into fruits containing seeds. Since most plants grow from seeds, flowers are often called the seed boxes of plants. Functions of flowers. Flowers also have nectar in them, which attracts bees and butterflies. Flowers grow into fruits and produce seeds. Most plants grow from seeds. Thus, flowers are the reproductive organs of plants. Fruits. Flowering plants produce fruits. Fruits also carrying seeds. Fruits also contain food for all living things. When a seed is sown in soil and given enough water, sunlight, and air, it grows into a new plant. Functions of fruits. Fruits produce and protect seeds. They store food and are eaten by living things. So children, today we have learnt about shoot system of a plant. Shoot system consists of stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits. We have also discussed about their functions. Solved exercise of this topic given in PDF. Kindly note down in your EVS notebook and learn them. So students, thank you and have a nice day.